In this episode, we are gonna look to Dart, var, dynamic, and boolean. So if you are interested, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned. Let's dive in. Okay, let's go to Dartpad, and here delete these four, and here let's start with var. So if you remember, we have looked to integer and string, and in strings video I have used var. So let's dive in about var. So we can use integer like this. Let's say int a equals to 3, and at the same time we can use it in this way: var b let's say equals to 4. Okay, so what's happening? What's the difference between using int and var? The point is, in Dart you can use var, and Dart will understand from your first initialization what is the type of the variable and assign it to that variable type. Okay, here we have integer, so b will become integer. Later, if you want to try to update b as, let's say, as a string, let's say Flutter, it will not be possible because var had been already created as a integer, so it's not possible to change its type later. Okay, here as you can see, a value of type string cannot be assigned to a variable of type integer. So you can use var to any type of Dart variable, like for integer, for string. Let's say for b we give string firstly, so it will become string. So now we can update it to a string, but we cannot change the type. Let's say we want to change it to integer type, it will bring us error. Okay, so the point is, we can use directly definite type like integer a equals to 3, or something like string c equals to, let's say, something. We can do it like this, and we also can do it like var. So we will put the decision what will be the type to Dart. This is about var. You can use it in this way. Now let's go to dynamic. Dynamic, actually, as the name implies, let's say 1. Okay, what's happening here is we created a dynamic variable, named it my dynamic, and put 1 as an initial value. So for dynamic variables, the type can be changed. Later, when we want to change, let's say, my dynamic to string, let's say my string, there will be no problem. Okay, let's say print my dynamic. Okay, let's check it. What will happen? It is gonna print my string. But if we try to print it before changing its type, its value and type, actually, it was 1. Firstly, it printed 1, it was integer. Now it can print string, my string. So when we want the type of the variable to be changed during the program, then we can use dynamic. To be honest, this is not used too much. It's better to use definite type directly, so like integer or string, or you can use var, so that it will be defined by the first assignment. Okay, now let's go to boolean. Boolean, actually, just true false. This is two type of boolean. It's giving error because I have used a. Now I'm trying to use the same naming. Let's say my bool. So for the boolean, as I said, it's just true or false. Mostly it's used for checking for this. Later we will be seeing to if, let's say, if my boolean, then let's say print hello. Okay, here what's happening, if this one is true, it's gonna print hello. Let's see what will happen. we will be looking to these cases, this case checking. If something is true, do something. If not true, do something else. We will be looking to this in details later, but mostly true falses are used inside if else, or it can be used definitely in other places, but mostly it's used here. The point is it can be true or false. Okay, my boolean, let's say, equals to false. We updated it to become false. Now hello will not be printed. Okay, as you can see, because it is false now, it will not be printed. We cannot change the type. It is applicable for any type, like integer, string, and boolean. Like if you want to update it to, let's say, my bool equals to 1, it will give error definitely. So this is a very short video about var, dynamic, and boolean. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned to see next videos. Bye.